can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. We keep this love in its photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone, wait for me to come home. Just one more tear to cry, one teardrop from my eye. You better save it for the middle of the night, when things aren't black and white. And the troubadour, remember
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tahniah kepada Cikgu Farhan kerana dapat bertukar ke Pulau Pinang. Sebenarnya kita kehilanganlah Cikgu Farhan yang mempunyai kemahiran dalam kepengadilan bola sepak. Walau bagaimanapun, saya doakan semoga Cikgu Farhan maju jaya di tempat baru. Jangan lupakan kami. Kalau nak masuk Selangor, bila-bila je dia alu-alukan. Okey, selamat maju jaya.
Cikgu Farhan, terima kasih banyak atas semuanya Farhan, utamanya untuk pasangan bola sepak sekolah. Selamat maju jaya Cikgu Farhan, kembangkan bakat terus di sekolah baru dan happy go lucky. Terbaik.
Selamat malam jaya Cikgu Farhan.
Pandang di atas awan, ku lihat bintang melambai. Ku hulur tangan menggapai, tetapi tiada sampai. Ku tahu bintang menunggu, namun apa dayaku. Ku hanya mampu meratap di dalam matapan sayu. Bintang jangan kau bersedih, bintang jangan kau menangis. Tiada mampu ku kesana walau telah direncana. Bintang kau tinggi di atas, ku duduk rendah di bawah. Hidupmu berkemang bulan, bukan insan kekurangan. Bintang jangan kau terus begini, nanti malammu tiada berseri. Kita akan tetap bersama untuk selamanya. Cuma lain suasana.
Untuk Farhan, bagi pantun, tuai padi antara nampak, esok jangan layu-layuan. Intai kami antara nampak, esok jangan rindu-rinduan. Bye-bye.